hiking in London Club, walking the St. James Way, Via Primitivo in Spain. For those who are unfamiliar with this pilgrimage route, the Camino de Santiago is a network of paths that lead to the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela in northwest Spain, where the remains of St. James the Great were believed to be buried. I decided to walk the Via Primitivo, which is one of the oldest and less crowded routes. This route takes you through breathtaking landscapes, charming small towns, and lush green forests. It's a true journey into nature and history. One of the most interesting things I learned along the way was that the Camino de Santiago was a pilgrimage route for more than 1,000 years. People from all over the world have walked this path for religious and spiritual reasons, but also for personal challenges and discoveries. It's amazing to think about all the footsteps that have preceded mine on this journey. Another curious fact is that the Camino de Santiago has a system of markers and signs that guide you along the way, including the famous yellow arrows. These markers have been put in place to help pilgrims find their way, but they also serve as a symbol of unity and a reminder that you're not alone on this journey. The Via Primitivo also offers a rich cultural experience. I was able to try local foods, learn about the history of the regions I passed through, and meet people from all over the world. It was truly a life-changing experience. In conclusion, I can say that walking the Camino de Santiago Via Primitivo was an unforgettable adventure that combined physical challenge, cultural discovery, and spiritual growth. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a unique experience. It's truly a gem in the world and a testament to the power of human spirit.